What is going on, guys? Today we're at Mattress Firm. Kidding, no we're not. There's a meet going on over here. It's at Twin Peaks. There are so many muscle cars. Ooh. And Tesla. There goes a Fox body. He's got a Pizza Hut thing. That's cool. I love the Pizza Hut thing, man. That's cool. Yo, this is an all carbon fiber GT350. This thing is crazy. I've seen this car at a couple meets. But at the past few meets, like it wasn't all carbon fiber yet. It was like this, and it was missing like a panel or something. But man, look at that. Everything is carbon fiber. So that is insane. Wow. That looks beautiful, man. Holy crap. Oh, look, we have a comp. Nice. Okay, we have some forward and whips here. And let's see what we got up front. Queen GTR. Nice. Nice E28. Yo, if I'm not mistaken, this is Gerardo's car. For those who don't know or remember, Gerardo let me borrow his GTR a couple times. It was initially for a video shoot, and then 2 other times because like I want to take my girlfriend out on a date with the GTR, and then 1 other one to like scare my mom with GTR. Yeah. Super nice guy. Oh, this guy. There we go. Old State Trooper. You tell him, man. Is he putting his plate on? He's putting his plate on. How funny. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, it is on the brakes. Oh shit, now there's 2 of them. Watch this one guy just passing by, get blowing. Oh, there he goes. down. Look, they actually let the cop let the Corvette go. Pretty sure he did that so he can start hiding again, catching real people. Oh, do it again, yeah! Ooh, 2 for 2. So I don't think there's gonna be much more action now that the cops are out here, and it's just, there's like 2 or 3 of them scattered, and that one state trooper is just not letting anything go. So anyways, I think I'm gonna end it there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.